Wanna eat McDonald's in class? Here's how. Put your Big Mac in a paper bag. Crayons are non-toxic, so you can dump your fries inside an empty crayon box. This brand new sharpener will hold my ketchup. This is what I call a yummy early lunch. If you love Popeye's chicken sandwich and you wanna eat it in class, just take all the food out, undo the box, and reassemble it inside out, and then just disguise it as a pencil box. To sneak some Taco Bell into class, go to your local Dollar Tree and get a flat school supplies case. This one is see-through, so I covered it with decorative glitter paper. Now I'll have my taco, burrito, cinnamon twist, and why not a Kool-Aid in there. This supplies can has my chips, which I can eat my dip with, and a soda with a straw to wash everything down. To get away with this in class, open a Pringles can, wrap it with some colorful construction paper, crack open a soda can, put it inside as well as a straw. Hot glue a can of bean dip on the lid and open it. Now add some Pringles in there and we are almost done. Place the lid on, and on top I placed a decorative star and we are now finished. Follow me for more.